Hi everyone. Today I will be opening this Amazon package. I've been posting on my Instagram a lot of wood carved spoons. So I decided to buy a spoon carving kit or kuksa carving kit. So we'll be opening this package here to see the tools, and then I'm gonna be using the tools and reviewing them, how they work, how sharp they were, if they are what they set to be on Amazon. Let's see how it works. Okay, nothing in there. Oh, they come in this little box. This is wood carving kit from Beavercraft, and they have their own YouTube channel that I watched before, and I seen in the webpage I seen their some other people using their tools, and it seems like they're pretty good, but I want to test it myself. They have their image of the tools and for what you can use them. So let's open this. They come wrapped in bubble wrap. This kit doesn't have any pouch for the tools, so that's something that I will be making and posting on YouTube too. So they come like this, all wrapped. Sorry about that noise that you're hearing, is my coffee maker right now. Can't be without coffee. Oh, here is the spoon curved knife. Really cool. This curved knife is carving the shape of the tool. Cool. Here, this one has like a little plastic sheath. Looks pretty nice, looks sturdy, nice handle. It's like 3 inches long. Very cool. And I also have here, comes with a little bit of tape on the tip just for security reasons. And this is the curved gouge, which is used for hollowing the spoons or the kuksas, which is pretty nice. It has a really nice handle, wooden handle, and the size of this one is D7L22. So how sharp they are? They seem pretty sharp, and they're really nice and polished. It's really nice. It has like a 5-inch approximate blade. So these are the 3 tools. I'm gonna be making a video on how these work. Look pretty nice, and I'm really happy with them, but I just want to see how practical they are and how good they work. Have a nice one. working already for 2 weeks with these tools. These are Beavercraft tools. This, I think it cost me like 45 bucks or something like that. They been working really good, really nice. They maintain their sharpness for a good amount of time. They really do. I don't know if you can see, they stay sharp for a really good time. I've been only using my leather strap with them every time that I'm gonna work wood, because that way I don't damage the bevel on it, and that's enough to maintain it pretty sharp. And as you've seen, I've been working on a kuksa for my bushcraft kit to hang it on the outside of my backpack, and this is how we ended up. Pretty cool. I gave that outer texture like scales like, so really cool. You can see all the blade markings, but I sanded the inside, not completely shiny or anything, rustic look, but it looks really cool. And I made like these 3 little channels right here, keep some detail on it. So the tool's been working really good. I really recommend those tools for making spoons and kuksas and bowls or that kind of stuff. I think for a beginner, they're really good, and even for people that have been carving for a long time too. And well, you can see this, pretty cool, pretty nice, really sharp, and like I said, really good tools for the price. I think I seen these tools on, well, tools like this a lot expensive. Really good brand and really good tools. Probably better than this ones, but for the price, these kit can be beat. So it's really good. So I really recommend these tools. I got this from Amazon actually, so you can search Beavercraft wood carving tools and these will appear. So guys, that's all for this video. You already see how they work, and also a project on the same video, which is pretty cool. And I hope you give me like and subscribe to my channel.